Then we turn the next corner and it's like, oh my gosh, that looks exactly like Kodachrome Basin. Then you turn the next corner. As you're going into the park, you're driving like this, and it's like it's all here in one place. Every one of the other national parks, except for maybe the Grand Canyon, is here in one place.
So hey roamers, we're here at Arches again today. It's in the late afternoon. We're doing another hike. It's called Park Place. If any of you have ever been to Arches, you know what that is. There's these huge walls on either side of you as you're hiking down in. And what I'm saying is hiking down in is you go down and then on the way back is kind of like all up. So
they recommend that you have a driver meet you on the other side, pick you up. I thought they were offering a driver.
Yeah, no thanks. So the cool thing about this hike today is it rained earlier. That cleared up some of the sky from the smoke from the fires, so the sky is nice and blue. The other thing that it did is it made it so we can smell the sage and the junipers as we're hiking along, so it's really kind of cool. When we were initially setting up, when we got here today at our campsite, a dust storm blew through right after I got everything all set up, and then following that was the rain. So, but it makes for a really nice hike. Kind of cooled it off a little bit and got rid of all, like I said, all that smoke and everything.
If it was raining still, I wonder if this would become a river.
Yeah, it looks like the water would flow down in here. Path of least resistance.
Wow. And after the rain, all these puddles look like they're just reflecting the blue sky. I don't know if the GoPro can pick that up or not, but it looks so amazing. There's nobody here. So we made it back to the top of Park Avenue. It was easy going down, like Jamie said. Not so easy coming back up.
Well, it wasn't as bad as going to Delicate. Delicate was one long straight up that...
This is just a mile each way though.
Right, so it wasn't too bad.
One way is down, one way is up. Once you're down in there and you look up, it looks like tall buildings, and that's why it's called Park Avenue.
Right. So each one of these things, it looks like a giant fin or whatever,
Looks like
is
a building.
supposed to be a building. So that's why it's called Park Avenue.
So Jamie's wanted to come back to Arches for 25 years.
Yeah, last time I was here was 25 years ago.
So I was thinking, okay, yeah, we go to the beach for me. We got to go to these spectacular places that Jamie likes. So we
Right.
first come up the hill here and up the switchbacks, driving up to Arches. And the first thing we see, I'm like, oh, that's kind of cool. Well, we've seen that before, Sedona, Zion. And then we turn the next corner. Well, that's kind of cool. I don't know where else I've seen that. Maybe in Bryce Canyon. Then we turn the next corner, and it's like, oh my gosh, that looks exactly like Kodachrome Basin. Then you turn the next corner. As you're going into the park, you're driving like this, and it's like it's all here in one place. Every one of the other national parks, except for maybe the Grand Canyon, is here in one place. So,
yeah, there's the fiery furnace. There's the place where there's the fins. There's the Devil's Garden. There's the windows area, which is where we're at now. And then there's also Delicate Arch, which we did yesterday. So.
And we still have a lot more to do. So it's just amazing. We're going to change our plans and try to stay here for maybe a week or so. Because not only is there here, there's the, Canyonlands and Dark Horse.
Dead Horse State Park.
Dead Horse State
Not
Park.
Dark Horse. Dead Horse.
Dead Horse State Park. And there's just so much more to see. So we're staying in Moab right now. We'll be dry camping after tomorrow.
Right.
And we'll just see how long we can hang out and check all this stuff out.
Yeah, it'll be our first attempt at dry camping, so we'll see how that goes. So as you can see right over there,
Two arches. Two.
It's called Double Arch.
2 arches in one.
Right. And that's, if you ever seen the first Hulk movie with Eric Bana and Sam Elliott and Nick Nolte, and I can't remember her name, for some reason it's escaping me.
Bana is the guy on Seinfeld that Jerry had to buy a meal for.
No, that's not the actor I'm talking about. Eric Bana is a dark-haired. He was in the movie Troy. He actually played the Hulk in the first Hulk movie with
He gave
Nick
Jerry
Nolte.
his suit, and then Jerry didn't give it back.
Yeah, that's not Eric Bana. That's a different Bana. That's an annoying Bana.
I see another arch too. In the top of this one, there's a split.
Yeah, it's almost like a triple.
Yeah.
It's open in the top and then on the sides.
Wow.
Yeah, and then behind this
Yeah, the other arch.
pedestal or monument or monolith is the word I'm looking for. That's somebody who's almost 60. There's a window on that side. We'll see it here in a second. We just were at
But what was that part called? The twin arches, double arches?
Double arch.
And now we're gonna hike over, I don't know if we'll have enough daylight, but over this hill is Turret?
Yeah.
Turret.
So now we're gonna go look at some windows. Not windows for your house or remodeling. These are windows that are cut out of rock. Pretty cool.
Worn out of rock.
Yeah. Nature. Water and ice. Get in there between the cracks in the rock, and when it expands, it splits the rock. So I'm gonna go check out the windows first, and then we'll check out the arch afterwards.
As the sun rolled out of the day and the twilight hour set in, we stopped to listen to the silence and reflect. We were truly blessed to be here to experience this amazing creation. We enjoyed the day so much we stayed until we could see no more. It was time to get back to Dexter and our first overnight dry camping experience in this motorhome. On our next episode, we'll take Dexter with us to visit Canyonlands National Park and Dead Horse Point State Park. See you next time.
Hey roamers, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll be notified each time we put out a new video.